Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another drugstore review. Oh my god, these are just my favorite, you guys. If you know, you know. So today's video is going to be a review slash wear test on the brand new Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Foundation. Now this foundation is brand new, brand spanking new. Don't know if it's available in stores, Walmart, Target, all that stuff, but you can definitely order it off of Amazon and off of the Ulta website, which is where I got mine. Yeah, we're gonna be doing again a review. I'm gonna let you guys know how this foundation wears, how it looks, how it feels. Is it worth it? Is it not? Or is it not worth it? I have tried it a few times before today, so I feel like I have my mind pretty much made up on how I feel about this foundation. I'm also going to be testing out their new ink crayons. I only picked up one shade because honestly all the other shades were like eh. And I also picked up their new Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil. This one is it as well. And then unfortunately I was not able to try these out with you guys because I tried them before filming and they broke me out. If this is your first time on my channel, I hope you subscribe. Hi, my name is Karina. I upload 3 times a week, and yeah, I hope you join our Lash Baby Lash Queen Bee team. I don't know, I'm still working on it, okay? Let's jump right into this video. Let's start with the eyebrows since I usually draw them in first. I haven't opened it at all. So this is the packaging. The shade that I am in is black brown. While I open this, I'm going to give you guys a little bit more details and more information. So it says, achieve ultra precise hair-like strokes for the most defined and natural looking eyebrows yet. Maybelline's Brow Ultra Slim Defining Eyebrow Pencil features a smooth and break resistant formula, an ultra slim 1.5mm precision tip, and built-in spoolie brush to create precisely defined brows. I might actually struggle with this. I am not used to filling in my brows with a brow pencil. I have the hardest time. I usually go in with a brow pomade and then I fill in with a pencil, but for the sake of this video, I will attempt to fill them in with a pencil itself. Right off the bat, this is definitely very, very pigmented. Color payoff is amazing. So I'm just doing or trying to do little hair strokes at the front of the brow. Wow, I have never been able to get such a precise line with a pencil before, and I've tried it a few times. So there's one brow done. Obviously I'm not done, but these little hairs, I do fill them in with a little brow pencil or a little brush because I have to do really precise thin lines. I like this. Oh my god, I didn't think I was gonna like it honestly, but this might be my new favorite pencil. Just throwing it out there. Okay, so we're gonna move on straight to the foundation. I'm actually going to prime with you guys, but really quickly, let's just go over the details on the foundation, shall we? So I pulled up the Ulta website again. The Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Foundation with SPF 50. Now that, when I read it, SPF, I was like, awesome. I've been really trying to get into SPF. Anyway, so this says, experience the first full coverage makeup specifically formulated to protect your skin from harmful environmental aggressions. The Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Foundation SPF 50 by Maybelline is a lightweight foundation that has a broad spectrum of SPF 50 and is enriched with antioxidants to protect against pollution. It not only leaves a natural looking finish but protects skin day after day. Available in 16 shades, dermatologist tested. I am going to prime my skin like I normally would. Now I wanted to show you guys this little primer that I've been using. I just wanted to keep the box because the box was so cute. This is by the brand Anna Sui and it's a pore smoothing primer. I love anything that has to do with pore smoothing. Like, I am all over it because I do unfortunately have oily skin, which leads to large pores. But isn't the packaging super cute? And it's like in this really pretty glass container. So what I like to do is It's almost like a putty. It's really, really cool. You guys see that? So I'll just take a little bit on my finger and I'll actually apply it over my pores. So right here, I love that this doesn't make my skin oily compared to other primers. Oh my god, these allergies, you guys, are the worst. My throat right now, it's so itchy and I scratch it with my tongue. Ugh, it's such a good and bad feeling at the same time. Let's swatch soft tan. Let's swatch sun beige. P.S. This is the application or the little bottle, what it looks like. So it's a little dropper. I actually really like it. Makes it easy to apply. This is sun beige. So I feel like sun tan, or yeah, soft tan, has slightly more olive undertones versus this one is a little bit more neutral. On this side, I'm going to show you guys how it applies with a brush. You guys know that that's like my thing. I love applying foundations with brushes. I just feel like they look a little bit better. So the formula on this is super lightweight. It's definitely a breathable foundation like it claims. You can definitely smell like the SPF on it a little bit. I'm actually gonna bring that down the neck. Do you guys see how it's leaving this really pretty like natural dew on the skin? You guys know that I do enjoy a full coverage foundation. I like, that's just my personal preference. But with this foundation, even though it's not like bam crazy full coverage, it still gives you enough coverage to like go on about your day, you know? Oh my god, this has to be one of the prettiest formulas and finishes that I have personally tried lately, and I've tried a few foundations and I just really like the way that this sculpts on the skin. It feels very natural. It doesn't feel heavy. Such a pretty finish. So no foundation, again, ooh, super breathable, super nice. I did make some notes on my phone both days that I've tried this foundation, and let me pull that up. It stayed on my skin for a long time, but from what I wore it that day, it was definitely like a 6+ hour wear and it was still there. I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Blender. We're just gonna bounce that into the skin. I'm just gonna get a little bit closer so you guys can see. Do you guys see how beautiful that is? Sorry, my phone's going off. So this is how the foundation is looking so far. Like from afar, my skin just looks flawless. It looks fresh. It looks super dewy, but again, do you notice how this side is a little bit more toned down than this side? This side, it still hasn't settled in. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera because I don't have any other products as far as like concealers or powders or anything like that. I do want to say really quickly, before I leave, I accidentally actually bought 2 of these new Maybelline Lasting Fix Makeup Setting Spray. These have up to 16-hour wear. Now this has a matte finish, which I think is really cool because it'll almost combat the natural dewiness that this foundation has if you are oily. But these broke me out. I'm going to insert pictures here. I'm going to post them. Now, because they broke me out doesn't mean that they're going to break you out. But just as an FYI, I just wanted to let you guys know that if your skin is super sensitive, maybe skip on these. So yeah, these I'm definitely going to return because I just have absolutely no use for them. So I am back. I went ahead and bronzed, contoured, highlight, liner, lashes, the whole shebang. Really quickly, I also wanted to try this new Superstay Ink Crayon. They have, ooh, there's a sharpener at the end. Oh, that is so cool. Comes with a little sharpener and then you can sharpen it. Oh, that is very creamy and pigmented. This formula and this color, I usually don't gravitate towards lipsticks like these, but honestly, I am here for it. The only thing that I do have to say though is that because they're not very precise, they won't give you like a precise lip look. I think I'm going to do about a 6-hour wear test and check in at like a 3-hour point and show you guys how the foundation is wearing. Okay guys, so I am doing my 3-hour check-in. It is obviously 3 o'clock. Started filming at 12. I wanted to film on my little Sony camera, this one, my little like vlogging camera, and it's not working. I don't know what's wrong. It just keeps saying that it doesn't recognize the lens, which is weird because it's the same lens I've always used. Anyways, so let's take a look. So the foundation is definitely settling into this little line that I have, this little like fine line, and I'm getting a little bit oily right through here, and as you can see, it's like definitely settling into my fine lines, and the oil is just peeking through a little bit. Not too much, but it's there. So I'm gonna do my final check-in at 6 o'clock, and that will more than likely be on my regular camera. But I think the foundation still looks really good. Again, not ideal for oily skin because you can get pretty oily pretty quick. But honestly, like, I just love the way that it looks, the way it feels, and the way that it wears. That I think that if I were to wear like an oil or a mattifying primer, I think I can prolong the oil a little bit more. So yeah, that is my 3-hour check-in, and I will see you guys in 3 more hours. I am now doing my check-in. This is my final check-in. It is currently 6:03, and wow, this foundation is like amazing, you guys. I think this, ooh, Maybelline just like hit it way out of the park with this one. So as you can see, and I'm also going to bring you guys up a little bit closer, as you can see, I am obviously a little bit dewy right here. That's so normal for me. Like, I have yet to still find a foundation that keeps me extremely matte, that doesn't have or doesn't let any oils peek through. Like, not heard of, not on this channel. So what are my thoughts on the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Protective Makeup Sunscreen, broad spectrum of SPF 50 antioxidant enriched pollution protection? That is such a mouthful, but oh my god, you guys, wow, this foundation is so good. I really love the way my skin looks. I love the way it wears, the way it breaks down. I think it's amazing. And again, if you really want this foundation, and if you're oily, give it a shot. It's only about $10-12. It's really not that expensive. And if it doesn't work out for you, then you know, you don't feel like you got cheated out of a bunch of money. The only thing that I was disappointed in was, again, the lasting fixing sprays. If you guys do try them, please let me know how your skin is looking, if it broke you out or not. But I'm actually gonna go to Ulta right now, return these, and see what else I can find. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review / wear test. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos of these, and what foundations do you want to see next. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell so you can be notified with all my videos. Remember that I upload 3 times a week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So thank you guys for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.